In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Lovable Watermark. We'll walk through transferring your project to GitHub, downloading your site's code, making a small edit, and uploading the updated files. Follow along on your browser and take your time. Each action builds on the last. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable. Head to the official site and log in with your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click the website project you created so we can work directly with its code. Inside the project, look for the GitHub icon and click it. Choose the option to connect GitHub. If you're logged into GitHub in the same browser, this goes faster. If not, sign in when prompted. Next, choose the organization or account you want the project to live under. If you see a warning about transferring, click Transfer Anyway to proceed. This simply moves or links your project code so you can access it in GitHub. After the transfer completes, click the View option shown on the page to open the project repository. In GitHub, click the Code button, then choose Download Zip. This downloads your site's files to your computer so you can make the change that removes the watermark. Locate the zip file in your downloads, then right-click it and choose Extract Here, or extract it to a folder you can easily find. Open the extracted folder, right-click index.yml, and choose Open with Visual Studio Code. Any code editor works, but Visual Studio Code makes this quick. Inside index.html, make the update specified for your project. Change the code with siuu.vercel preview. This means replacing the existing reference with that exact value where the preview or watermark reference appears. Save your changes when you're done. Next, in your project folder, move the favicon and banner files into the public directory so your site references resolve correctly. If your system asks whether to replace existing files, click Replace to confirm. Now head back to GitHub and click New to create a fresh repository for the edited site. Name it as you like, then choose the option to upload existing files. Drag and drop the entire set of updated files from the extracted folder into GitHub's upload area. Review the file list for accuracy, then click Commit Changes to finalize the upload. That's it. You've connected your site to GitHub, downloaded the code, updated the HTML, organized your assets, and committed the new version. Your project is now set up without the Lovable watermark.